Hello and welcome back to my channel. I have a really exciting video planned for you. This is my very first makeup tutorial. It's a super simple look that I wear pretty much whenever I need to go for a full face of makeup. It's super easy and it's pretty affordable, so if I can do it, I promise that you can too. So my skin is a little tired today, so I'm going to dive right in with my Benefit Pore Professional Primer. It's super lightweight and soft, and it just seems to cover all of my pores without clogging them up, which is perfect for a primer. Next, I'm using my NYX Total Control Drop Foundation in the shade Vanilla. This is by far my favourite foundation. You can use just a few drops for a really light coverage or a handful of drops for a really matte look. It's super buildable and really easy to use. Next, I'm going in with my NYX Full Coverage Concealer in yellow for my under eye bags. It's just a little something to even out my skin tone before I use my Lasting Perfection Concealer in the shade 16. This concealer is the best value for money ever. Despite it being so affordable, it's just the best concealer I found as well. This is all followed up with my collection pressed powder in Candlelight, which just helps to set all of my foundation and smooth out my complexion. If you can tell, I really love using NYX products. This is my micro brow pencil in the shade Ash Brown. I start by brushing my eyebrows down and shading in the correct shape before I fill in all of the little gaps underneath. I find this just gives you a really natural full brow, and it's just so easy to use. It's just the simplest thing I think I've learned since I started doing more of my makeup. Next, I'm going to go with my Glossier Boy Brow just to add a little bit of definition back into my eyebrow hairs and setting them all in place. So now we're onto my eyes, which is the fun and playful bit. So I have my beautiful Revolution eyeshadow palette. This was literally £4, which is just amazing, and the colours are just absolutely stunning. I'm also going to use my Revolution Life on the Dance Floor palette just to add a little bit of extra colour in there. These eyeshadows are genuinely so great for beginners. They just blend so easily and are so pigmented, and the fact that all of these palettes are under £10 just means that you can just experiment as much as you like with brand new colours and different styles. So I'm going to start with the light shades and just kind of put that all over my eyelids and up towards my brow bone, and then I'm going to slowly start to add some more of the darker shades as well, kind of as I get closer to my crease. Finally, I'm going to go in with a stunning reddish purple shade into the outer corners of my eyes, and then I'm going to use this absolutely amazing pink sparkle shade in the inner corners just to add a little bit of a pop. So I'm going to quickly also go back in with my pressed powder underneath my eyes just to kind of clean up any fallout. So I pretty much always wear eyeliner with or without eyeshadow, and this is the best liquid liner that I think I've tried yet. It's shaped like a pencil and it's super easy to use and it's so pigmented. It's just, oh, there's nothing beats it. Now I'm going to use my newly favourite mascara, which is the Benefit Roller Lash. I swear down, it makes your lashes look twice as long with just one coat. It's so easy to notice the difference. So now I'm going to go onto my bronzer, and I am using the Benefit Hoola bronzer. I heard so many good things about this bronzer and I never thought to try it until recently, but I genuinely love it. It's such a deep shade and it's so easy to blend and use, and you get what is almost a natural tan instantly. I'm just going to use my big fluffy spectrum brush as well to blend this all in. Now I couldn't decide on what highlight I wanted to use for this tutorial, so I'm going to use my Revolution Soph palette. And I'm actually going to mix two of the shades. I'm going to use this lovely bronzed pink and this stunning silver over the top. So I found this is the perfect way to get a really healthy glow, but also have a little bit of sparkle in there too. And finally, I'm moving on to my lipstick, and I thought I would match my eye look and go for the Charlotte Tilbury matte lipstick in the shade Bond Girl. It's this stunning berry shade that is perfect for when you want a little bit more colour than a nude, but a little bit less colour than a bold statement. And last but not least, I'm going to finish this all off with a few spritzes of my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. So there you have it, this is the finished look. Like I said, it was super simple and easy to do, but it gives you such a nice dressy look, and it looks like you've made a huge effort when in reality it took you maybe 10-15 minutes to do. I hope you enjoyed watching my first makeup tutorial. This was super fun to film for you, and I am so excited to show you what's coming up next, so I will hopefully see you in my next video. Love you, bye!